Hey friends, welcome to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Charles. By day I work at Google and by night I make YouTube videos just like this one. And in today's video we are unboxing an awesome selection of swag from my employer at Google, who have sent me a big box of merch. And Google do send out swag to their employees like fairly often. Interns get like a package of swag. When you start off you get like a nougat hat, which is awesome. And even like this jumper here has got like a Google bicycle on, which are the legit Google bikes that they have at the headquarters. So super excited to find out what swag they've sent me. I think there is like some Google swag in here and some YouTube swag, which is a perfect synergy between my day job and what I do in the evenings, which is basically create videos like this on YouTube. So without further ado, let's get cracking and see what they've sent me. So, most important thing, big ass knife.
You call that a knife? This is a knife!
Step away, because I've not done a risk assessment for this video. Right, we're ready to figure out what is inside. I thought it was going to be like a one-on-one review of each item, but no, I think it might just be a review of everything in one. Let's see. Oh no, okay. So it is going to be one. So what's the first item here? Okay. We've got a box. And we have... Just gonna wait for all of the stream of cardboard to just fill the studio. Oh, this is cool. So we have very own YouTube mug, which is really cool. So this will be sitting pride of place on my desk. Very good friend of mine, James, actually sent me a YouTube mug. I think at Christmas time. So this will be a very nice addition to that. And we've got floor. Oh, this one is branded Google Merchandise Store. So we know we are looking at legit stuff. Some of this stuff you can actually buy yourself as well. I'll put a link in the description if you do want to buy your own Google merch. Aha. So we've got an official Google logo. Not too bad. Decent mug. Have a good couple of teas in this. Few nice T-Pigs teas. So we've got YouTube, Google, different finishes. Okay, next up, oh, this is super cool. So it's like little dinosaurs in the desert. So hopefully you can see that on the overhead camera. But yeah, it's like, you know in Chrome where you have no internet and you basically can't do anything else. And they create that little dinosaur game where you basically tap spacebar and you have to jump over the cactuses. Well, this is this t-shirt. That is super cool. Okay, what's next? We've got another t-shirt here. Oh no, it looks like a jumper. This looks like a YouTube jumper, which will be a nice alternative to the jumper I've got now. So, oh yes. Also, it's like really comfy inside. This is going to be really nice to wear. So yeah, nice and simple. Flat jumper, YouTube logo. Love this. Oh yeah, that is cool. Okay, what else have we got in the box? Okay. Oh, loads more. So we've got brand edition. Oh, cool. So, got anything out of there? We've got some pop sockets. So we've got a Google pop socket. Pretty cool. These are actually so handy, my goodness. Particularly when you have like those 11 Pro Max or you have like a Galaxy Note. Like, I literally can never grip my hands on my phone properly, so like these are so handy. If you've not got a pop socket, like basically you put your fingers like this, and what you can do is you literally just hold your phone like that, It just makes it so much easier. So I've got Google one of those, got a YouTube one of those, which is pretty cool. We look like we've got an absolute plethora of Google pens as well here. So nice and simple, do the job. Just making sure that whenever you sign something, yep, I'm a legit employee. I've got some Google pens, so anything I sign, if it's not digital, they know I'm legit. Okay, what else have we got in here? Aha, nice black t-shirt with the Google logo, it looks like. Oh, this is nice, I just like super simple. Yeah, I love that. Look at me, I work at Google, innit? Yeah, that's nice. Good quality stuff. Oh, we've got loads more, yeah, okay. Maybe I might grab the stuff out of here. So, that's what I haven't unboxed so far. So it looks like we've got, oh, this is cool. This is cool. So, you can see this. It's like, you know the new maps icon? Ooh. Yeah, this is nice. Yeah, because we changed the maps icon like a few months back and I was like really confused because I thought, is this just like an anniversary special or something like that? But no, we actually changed the maps icon, which is a little bit more consistent with some of our other branding, which is nice. A few more things to go, more merch. Oh, nice. Love a bit of YouTube merch. Just to make sure people know I'm a YouTuber, you know? In case I start going vlogging in public. Can be like, yeah, this is the ultimate. If I go vlogging in public, and then it's like, yeah, I'm a YouTuber, I've got a camera, I'm vlogging in public, leave me alone. No. Oh dear. That is awesome. Another t-shirt. Oh, this time it's a white one, which I do kind of think looks nicer, although the only problem is I always get white clothes, just like tomato ketchup down them or something like that. It's just like a friend of mine, actor, she just carries like a 2-litre bottle of ketchup with her all the time. I feel like that kind of person, but this is why it's dangerous for me to wear like a white t-shirt out. So yeah, that is very nice, like white Google logo, or sorry, white t-shirt with a Google logo on, nice and simple, does the job, love that. Oh, this is cool. So I've got 2 YouTube notepads, which are good for logging any more of my future video ideas into. This will get some good use. So yeah, YouTube, nice. A little notepad. And it's got this super nice little bit at the end where you can like put all your notes and business cards and things. So useful on a nice little binder. Nice. 2 solid notepads. The last thing we've got, is something that looks pretty nice. Oh, cool. It's like a YouTube, oh, I think it's one of these insulated bottles, which is where, oh yes, yes. It's one of those like, you pour in like a litre of tea and it stays warm for like a whole day, which is just the best thing ever. Sick. Tea on the go, YouTube style. Love it. I'm gonna have to pivot into a tea channel. So yeah, what an awesome selection of swag, Google. Alright, this is all the swag that we've got. So just to recap, we've got a Google Maps t-shirt in the new Google Maps style. We've got, I think, probably one of my favourites, which is this like chrome dinosaur print, just because it's quite subtle and it's quite funny. I like it, it's tongue-in-cheek. We've also got this YouTube jumper. This is going to get a lot of wear. I really, really like this, and it's also super, super comfortable. Nice black YouTube t-shirt as well, I love that. Google black t-shirt, pop sockets, which are just so, so incredibly useful. White Google t-shirt, just in case that I forgot about Google, or I can go between light theme and dark theme, which is what we always love, a bit of light theme and dark theme Google. We've got a lovely YouTube bottle, which is going to be so sick to have like hot tea in like any time of day if I'm traveling. This will get a lot of use. 2 super amazing mugs as well, which look pretty freaking cool. Google one and YouTube. Some nice Google pens, just to make sure people know that if I'm signing a document, you know, it's like a Google approved pen in use. And some really nice YouTube notepads, which are going to be super nice to just like jot down any videos I've got and any ideas I've got like that. So yeah, a really awesome selection of swag. Thank you so much Google and YouTube for sending me out this swag. Like, absolutely love it, so useful. Look out for all this different swag that I'll be wearing and using throughout the videos to come. And if you're not already, subscribe down below, because this is just a taste of the Google and YouTube content that I'll be producing in the time to come. If you've got any questions about what it's like working at Google, any of the different perks or benefits, then do let me know and I might include or answer them in a future video. So that was hella fun, unboxing some of the different Google and YouTube merch. I've had a really great time. If you've had a great time, feel free to pick up some of the merchandise from the Google merchandise store, and also check out this video here, which is a day in the life of a Google employee. That's me. And if not, then I will see you in the very next video. Thanks so much for watching.